I guess it's cool to say that I made this chair. This is me.
Being that Broad Alban Perth is in the Adirondacks, I felt that it was very fitting to do the Adirondack Chair project.
It was a lot of work. It was hard. It wasn't easy.
They had to take 2x4s and 2x6s, which is not furniture grade material, and they had to transform it into something that was beautiful and functional.
I mean, I think it came out pretty good.
I took this class because, I don't know, I thought it would be hands-on.
It is a different type of opportunity.
It's a different type of opportunity.
You can't replicate this anywhere else.
They're learning very valuable hands-on skills needed in this day and age. It's exciting that the students got to work in this 21st century wood shop. Before, this was the old TLC Media Center that they transformed. It's exciting to see the support, not only from the school but from the community, to have these programs come back. The Adirondack Chair is just the beginning. We're going to open up a whole new world of possibilities for these students. I'm very excited for the future of this program.